Hey, good morning everyone. Today I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to one Linux distribution. It's known as the Talis. And what I'll do, I'll just start up that machine. I have it. I haven't really installed it. I just gonna just run it from the memory using my Virtualbox. I'll just start it. And while it's loading, we'll just go over this presentation file. Okay. So what is it? You can go to that official URL and know more about the system, but in short, it's a live operating system and it can boot from any computer, from a USB stick or from a DVD. You can use the ISO file, just like I'm going to open it for you within my Virtualbox. Again, it's a free software and it's based on the Debian and GNU Linux. So if you have any experience with the Debian version of the Linux, you should be pretty comfortable using it. Now, what's the main features or main goals that this operating system accomplishes? Is this system? They're very concerned and dedicated to provide a high level of security and privacy to the end users. How does it do that? For the privacy, it maintains anonymity while you're browsing the internet, and it uses Tor network. And it's trace-free, so it leaves no trace on the computer unless you have explicitly requesting, hey, save my traces. And also it has a lot of built-in encryption features that would allow you to encrypt your text messages, your emails, and your files, so nobody can read it if it's lost or stolen. Now, this video is not about Tor, but I'm just going to talk very briefly what Tor is. It's open and distributed network that helps to defend against traffic analysis. So if someone is trying to find you, who you are, they'll likely trace back and figure out what IP you're coming from. Tor just understand it kind of helps you to hide that information, so you become kind of anonymous. So promotes anonymity and protects privacy, so thereby it protects the privacy of the end user. And Tor, there's no dedicated network. It relies on a network of relays run by volunteers all around the world. Okay. As a security, I said it comes with something called Lux that you can use to encrypt USB sticks and external hard disks. Most of the time it automatically uses the HTTPS to encrypt all of your internet traffic. It uses OpenPGP to encrypt and sign your emails. There's OTR, a new technology that you use to encrypt instant messages, and even Natilus Wipe that it uses to delete all the files and clean up your disk space. So those are all the security features that comes built in. Some cool included software is Genome. Everybody likes Genome. Tor I talked about, HTTPS everywhere. UB-lock origin, it's also built in. It blocks unwanted ads. Aircrack NG, it's a wireless network auditing tool. And KeeperSX is another one that you can use it to manage your passwords. So now let's head over to the Virtualbox and see what's going on. So let's see, show. Okay, so it's when you open it, it's just gonna ask you what language you want to start, and I'm just gonna, English is fine. United States, I'm here in the States, so just hit start Talis, and it shouldn't really ask you for anything else. It should just directly logs you in to the machine, and we'll just take a quick look at it, and then I'll let you guys play with it some more and have fun with it. So if you're security conscious and if you're worried about your privacy and your security, this is something you can try out, and let me know what you think. Alright, we're in Tor, and you can see the blue background. There's a documentation page. If you click on the application, it's gonna tell you what's installed. Tor browser, Thunderbird is email client, internet messenger, the keypass that we talked to you about, the files and the terminal menu. We'll open a terminal. While it's opening, let's look at what we have under favorite. Let's see, favorite, I don't see anything. Accessory, we do. So those are the favorites. Accessories, we have calculator, Git khash is a nice tool, and I actually have a video to use that. You can validate hash and generate hash for any files using that particular tool. For the graphics, you have the LibreOffice Draw, a GNU image manipulation program. For the internet, you have the Tor browser, you have Onion Share, Onion Circuits. For the Office products, you have all the LibreOffice suites installed. If you want to use create documents, create spreadsheet, create presentation, everything available to you. Sound and video, you have a whole bunch of tools, including Audacity. Here you also have some cool system tools. Then you can install additional software if you like, and some additional system monitor. You can take screenshots, image viewer, a whole bunch of other stuff in here. So again, give this one a shot, and what we'll do, we'll just quickly look at the folder structure and make sure that it follows the general Linux folder structure. It looks like it does, and let's do, if I can go to the root. If you go to the root, you see we see the same standard bin, boot, home, isc, dev, opt, proc, run, sbins, all those folders. They're very familiar, var, all of them. So you should not have any problem browsing through the system and using it nicely. Okay, so with that, I'm going to pause the video or complete the video and let you play with this system some more, and just let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.